Well, a diet strategy that often backfires. Researchers say that even well-intended efforts by parents to encourage children to slim down often do the opposite.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl has details in the Einstein Science Center report.
Yeah, interesting new study, guys. You know, scientists say there are lots of factors involved with the obesity epidemic. This research says how parents interact with their teenagers matters years later.
Teens who are encouraged to diet are more likely to struggle with their weight as adults, according to new research. The study looked at more than 500 teens.
They followed teenagers who had been encouraged to diet 15 years later and found that they were actually more likely to be overweight, to be dieting, binge eating, and have lower body satisfaction.
Experts say dieting can persuade teens to develop a negative relationship with food, and teens who feel pressured by parents to lose weight might try unhealthy things like skipping meals, taking supplements, or relying on extremely low-calorie cleanses. Those diets aren't sustainable, and people often end up gaining weight instead of losing it. Doctors say it's better to encourage mindful eating, not focus so much on numbers, but having an overall healthy diet. Here are 4 important skills to teach teens that all start with S: sit down, shut off devices, slow down, and stress management.
It's so important to give teens these skills at this juncture in their life. And I talk to parents about tools, not rules. So moving away from food rules, but really helping them to change their habits around the way that they eat.
Pediatricians say many teens feel pressured from school and being overscheduled. Helping them manage that stress will also help reduce fattening, comfort eating.
Now, the researchers also found that as parents, adults who endured dieting pressure during their teenage years were also more likely to encourage their children to diet. So it's a pattern that's created that gets repeated generation after generation.
Yeah,
Break the cycle.
You got to break it.
Yeah.
All right, thanks,
Thanks,
Steph.
Stephanie. Kate joins us now.